In such a situation, turmeric milk gives a lot of medicine, but everyone refuses to spoil the taste of the mouth. So today we have brought some such home remedies that keep on increasing your immunity, and that is ginger candy. Namaskar friends. Welcome to Havis Kitchen Hindi. We have taken 150 grams of ginger here. We will take out its peel. The antibacterial properties in ginger give it the ability to fight the virus of cold and flu. We will cut the ginger into thick pieces in this way. Alternatively, we will put it in a mixer jar. About 100 grams of ginger, add a little water to it, and make a fine paste of it. If you want, you can also add a little basil leaves to it. Now we will put this paste in the pan, and when it becomes fragrant for a minute, we will add 400 g of jaggery to it, and we will get it healthy, and for the option, we have used horses. You can also add sugar if you want. The city will also be the best for this candy. The house is melting. It will continue to run on low heat. The spicy and warming properties of ginger reduce infections and also boost immunity. The mixture is standing up. Mixing husband, leaving money on the cards. See, something like this is in ribbon consistency. When lifted from the cut, it's perfect. If you want, you can put the juice of half a lemon in it. Now you will put half a teaspoon of turmeric called kala, gives half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Turmeric and black pepper give relief from cold and cough. It has been mixed well. It is ready to be set. Now you will make candy by putting such drops on top of butter paper. You can also make small pills by making it a little pot. In a short time, it is set. Easy to do, easy to carry, and the store is ready. You can make it and store it for a month. So friends, if you like today's recipe, then like and share the video, and do not forget to comment about the recipe and subscribe to our channel.